Good morning, students. Today we will continue exercise 9.3, question number 18. In question number 18, find the sum to n terms of the sequence, that is, sequence is given 8, 88, 888 up to so on. Now we have to find out the sum of this sequence. So let us start the solution. Sn is equal to 8 plus 88 plus 888 up to so on n terms. So here we will take 8 common, so it will come 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus up to so on n terms. After that Sn is equal to, we will multiply this term with 9. If we are multiplying with 9, then we will divide with 9. So we are divide and multiply with 9. Here we are multiplying with 9 and divide with 9. So it will come 99 plus 999 plus 9999 plus up to so on n terms. After that we will make a GP. Therefore for GP 9, we can write this 9 as 10 minus 1, and here this is 100 minus 1 is 99, so we can write here 10 square minus 1, that is 100 minus 1, and here 1000 minus 1 is 999, so we can write here 10 cube minus 1. Similarly here 10 raised to power 4 minus 1 plus up to so on n terms. After that Sn equal to 8 upon 9 into here we will make the GP, so it is coming here 10, 10 square, 10 cube, 10 raised to power 4. We will combine this term 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus up to so on n terms. Take in the bracket, and after that here minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So we can write this term as minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to so on plus 1 last term. After that you can see here this is a GP. So 8 upon 9 into here what will come here 10, 10 square, 10 cube. So what is A? The A is first term. So A is 10, and what is R? Ratio is, that is common ratio, that is also 10. So we will make here GP. After that I am writing here. So it will come Sn equal to 8 upon 9 into here this term 10 into, because A is 10 and the ratio is 10, so R is greater than 1. So 10 into 10 raised to power n minus 1 upon 10 minus 1, because this is GP, and you know the sum of the GP is 10 into 10 A into R raised to power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. Similarly here 1 plus 1 plus up to some 1. So n terms they are coming, so we can write here minus 1 into n, that is n terms. After that 8 upon 9 into 10 raised to power n minus 1 upon 9 minus n. Therefore Sn equal to 8 upon 9 into 10 raised to power n minus 1 minus 9n upon 9. You can leave up to this. If you want to solve this next step, you can solve it up to this you are getting the answer. After that Sn equal to 8 upon 9. After multiply it, so it will come 81. 10 into 10 raised to power n minus 1 minus 9n. This is the solution of the question number 18. Now come to the question number 19. Now dear students, continue with the question number 19. In question number 19, find the sum of the product of the corresponding term of the sequences given, that is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 128, 32, 8 to 1 by 2. We have to multiply this corresponding element and then we have to find out the sum. So let us start the solution. Required sum is equal to, we are saying product of the corresponding terms. So first term is 2 and here first term is 128. 2 into 128 plus 4 multiplied by 32, second term multiplied with second term corresponding term, plus 8 into 8 plus 16 into 2 plus 32 into 1 by 2. After that it will come 256 plus, multiply these two, 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16. After multiplying, these terms are coming. So required sum is equal to this one. After that you can see here, this is the power of 2 raised to power 8, that is equal to 256 plus 2 raised to power 7 is 128, 2 raised to power 6 is 64, 2 raised to power 5 is 32 plus 2 raised to power 4, that is 16. After that you can see here what is A. A is 2 raised to power 8, or you can say that 256. A is 2 raised to power 8. Now we have to find out ratio. Ratio is second term divided by first term. So it is coming here 1 by 2 and number of terms, that is n. And how many terms are here? 5 terms. So n is equal to 5. After that we have to find out the sum. So this is GP, you can see here it is GP, so we will apply the formula Sn equal to A into 1 minus R is to power n upon 1 minus R, because here R is less than 1. So put the value, and Sn is given, Sn in the question, the Sn is, we have to find out Sn. Now Sn equal to, what is A? 2 raised to power 8, number of terms are 5, S5 equal to 2 raised to power 8 into 1 minus 2 raised to power Rn. What is R here? 1 by 2 raised to power n. N is 5 upon 1 minus 1 by 2. After that it will come S5 equal to 2 raised to power 8, and it will come 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to power 5. After solving this, it will come 1 by 2. In next step, we can write here this term multiply with this term, because 1 by 2 reciprocates, so it will come 2 raised to power 9 into 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to power 5. Again I am telling you, this term is 2 raised to power 8 into this term upon 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 multiply this term, so it will come 2 upon 1. So that's why 2 raised to power 9 is coming here. So S5 is equal to 2 raised to power 9. Take LCM here, it will come 2 raised to 5 minus 1 upon 2 raised to power 5. After that, this term 2 raised to 9 upon 2 raised to power 5. Then we will base is same, we will take the term and divide, take the power. So 2 raised to 9 minus 2 raised to 5, it will come 2 raised to power 4. And here this term 2 raised to power 5, it is coming here 32 minus 1. After that, S5 is equal to 2 raised to power 4 into, this is coming here 31. So S5 is equal to, this is 16 into 31. So after multiplying, the value of sum is coming 496. This is the solution of question number 19. That is the sum is 496. Now we will start the question number. Now dear students, come to the question number 20th. In question number 20th, show that the product of corresponding terms of the sequence AR square up to so many Rn minus 1 and capital AR square up to so Rn minus 1 form a GP. Find out the common ratio. Means you have to take the product of these terms and then you have to show it is GP and you have to show the common ratio. If ratio is same in all the term, then you can say that it is GP. So let us start the solution. The product of corresponding terms of the sequence is, yes, we will multiply the corresponding terms. It will come A, first term A multiply with this A into A, this is after multiplying, comma, second term is AR multiplying with this AR, and then second term AR square multiply with capital AR square, and here AR cube multiplying with capital AR cube up to so on. The last term is AR n minus 1 multiply with capital AR n minus 1. So it will come A into A, R into R. So the ratio is required ratio. Here second term divided by first term, then it will come AR into AR upon AA. Means small capital, this will cancel A into A cancel, R into R. These are the ratio. Now similarly A3 upon A2. A3 upon A2 will come AR square into AR square upon AR into AR. So after cancelling A, cancel with this, it is coming here R into R. Similarly, when you divide A4 upon A3, it will come R into R. Similarly, we can divide next term, we will get this R into R. So we can say that the ratio is same, the ratio is R into R, small r into capital R, therefore it is a GP. Now we will move to question number 21st. Now come to the question number 21st. In question number 21st, find 4 numbers forming a GP. You have to find out the 4 numbers in which third number is greater than the first by 9, and that first number is greater than the first by 9, and second number is greater than the fourth term by 18. And you have to find out 4 terms. How we can find out the 4 terms? In GP, if we know the A and R, then we can find out the 4 terms. So let us start. First of all, we will find out A and R. So what is given? Third term is greater than the first by 9. It is given. Third term A3 is greater than the first by 9. You know in GP, how many terms are there? Let the terms, first we will write there. Let the terms in GP, 4 terms, that is A, AR, AR square and AR cube. These are the first 4 terms. So third term, what is given? For the third term is greater. Third term is this one. A3 is equal to A plus 9. What is A3? That is AR square equal to A plus 9. After that, AR square, we will transfer this term, minus A is equal to 9. So a common, so it will come r square minus 1 is equal to 9. After that it will come this term a into r square minus 1 equal to 9. Let it equation 1. After that what is given? Then fourth term by 18. Second term is greater than 4 term by 18. Second term is greater than the 4 term by 18. A4 plus 18. What is second term? That is AR. AR is equal to A4. What is A4? That is AR cube plus 18. After that we can write here AR minus AR cube is equal to 18. Take AR common. So what is coming here? 1 minus R square equal to 18. And after that, what is the value of A into R square minus 1? That is equal to 9. So we can write here this, we can take the value here A into R square minus 1. Here R is as it is, A into R square minus 1 is equal to 18. Here see this step. A into, I am writing here, this one. So this step is AR into 1 minus R square is equal to 18. We will put here value, R is as it is, we will write here A into R square minus 1 is equal to 18. Here 1 minus R, I am writing here R square minus 1. So minus will come outside. So minus R. From equation 1 you can see here what is the value of this term, that is 9. From equation 1 we are putting the value here is equal to 18. So what is the value of R? The value of R is coming here, R is equal to minus 2. This is the value of R. Now we will find out the value of A. In equation 1, we will put the value of R. Put the value of R. This is the equation 1. We will put here value A as it is. What is R? That is minus 2. So it will come 4 because minus 2 square. Minus 1 is equal to 9. So it will come A is into 3 is equal to 9. So what is the value of A? A is coming here 3. The value of A is equal to 3. Now we can find out the first 4 terms of GP. The first 4 terms of GP are A, AR, AR square and AR cube. 4 terms of GP. Now put the value. What is A? First term is 3. Second is 3 into minus 2. Third is 3 into minus 2 square. And fourth is 3 into minus 2 cube. So it will come, first term is 3, that is 3 minus 6. Then here minus plus because it's square, so 12. This 4 into 3. And here minus will come because power is odd. So 2 to the 4 to the 8, 24. These are the required 4 terms. Thank you, students.